This is the Moyu RSM3 2020, and except the 2020 in its name, everything about this cube is really good. The best thing about this cube is its price. It's at $9 or 749 Indian rupees. Now, the next best thing would be the innovation in this cube. This cube is really innovative, especially for its price. So what I mean by innovation is, if you pop open the center cap of this cube, you get to see this blue little thing. It's marvelous. So this is basically a tensioning system which will help you achieve uniform tensions throughout your cube, and also help you get a better sense of what kind of tensions and cubes is best for you without having to buy another cube. Now what you will if you get this cube, you will also get this little tool with it, and as you can see, there's two teeth for the two gaps in here, right? So what this does is you just fix it into here like this, then you rotate it anti-clockwise, right, like this, and as you can see, there's this click sound. I hope you can hear it. I'll just show it to you once again, right? And right, so I'll just so as whenever you rotate it, it will start to go higher. I don't know if you can see it properly, but whenever you rotate it, it will start to go higher, except when it's on its last setting. Yes, as you can see, it went down. So I'll just show it to you once again. So right now it's at its base setting, right? And I click it, and as you can see, it starts to go higher, right? So my hand is coming, maybe, yeah. And when you are in its highest setting, it will automatically fall back into the base setting. Yes, as you can see, it fell back into its base setting. So now what's the difference between this and any other normal cube? On a normal cube, which I will show you in a bit. Okay, by the way, this is the Using Little Magic, another budget cube I recommend, but this one is way better than this one. I have no doubts about that. So I'll just pop open its center cap, and this. There's no blue little thing, it's just a screwdriver. Now what is the problem with this? The only problem with this is you won't get even tensions. For example, if you rotate some 700 degrees or something, and you rotate it here 600 degrees. So I know it may not sound a lot, but it can cause uneven tensions, and you will start to feel weird when you're solving the cube. Okay. And also, this cube is not magnetic. This cube is magnetic. Just to give you an idea, the first magnetic cube that came out, Gang Air UM, it was the name was, and it was at a price of $50, if I believe, $47 or $50, something like that, right? And this is just $9, way cheaper than that. Also, this tensioning system by Moyu, it first came out in Moyu GTS 3M, which was around $35 again, which is, this cube is 4 times cheaper than its predecessor GTS 3M, right? So prices, as I said, price is really great. Also, this cube is great in the jungle, great in the way it has been designed. I'll just pop open the cap and show it to you. Pop open a piece. Like as you can see, it has these grooves in here, right? There's a little dust settled, but I hope you can see there's this little grooves are here as well, on the hair as well, and on the corner piece there are grooves throughout, right? So all these things help with the feel of the cube, and I can say this cube feels great. Also, another bonus about, sorry, and I'll just pop, right? So another great thing about this tensioning system is, okay, let me give you a bit of a backstory. If you did not like the feel of a cube, you were stuck with it unless you bought a new cube, which is not feasible or financially possible for many people. But with this tensioning system, you can try. It has total 8 different modes, like 8 different settings, right? So you basically have 8 different feels. Of course, not all of them are feasible. Like the first one is too loose, and the last one is too tight. So you probably won't be using them. But like the middle ones hit the right spot, and you can solve pretty good on them. I would say 4th or 5th click is the best, in my opinion. It can vary from people to people. Let me just give you an example. Let me just give you an idea of what this tensioning system does, by the way. So as you, it's in its base setting right now. As you move it, and it moves up. As I move this tool, and it moves, and the spring moves up, the cube gets tighter, right? And the more tighter it gets, your cube will feel more stable, but it will corner cut less. Basically, corner cutting is if the cube is misaligned and the cube still turns, right? So basically, I'll just show you in this cube first. So as you can see, the cube is misaligned and it still moves. So this is corner cutting. If you tighten the cube too much, it will be very stable and slow. Sometimes slow is good thing, because too fast was the main problem of using Little Magic. Okay, so but you won't be corner cutting as well. You won't be corner cutting good, and it can be too slow as well. So, and if you loosen it too much, there will be good corner cutting. It will be fast, but it will be too fast and you won't be able to control the cube. So as I said, the middle setting is the best in my opinion, right? So as a fourth or fifth click, and I will also show you an average of 5 on this cube, so to give you an idea how great this cube is. So there was my average of 5 of 14.672 seconds. I will give links to buy this cube from various cube sites of which I know about in the description. So I hope you guys like the video. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, keep cubing.